Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect your HyperX Quadcast S on PC. Now, to basically connect to this, right, a lot of people are having this question. You basically just need to go ahead and locate the USB-C port, which is E right here, okay, where it's labeled E on the microphone. And then you want to connect one end of the provided, USB cable to the USB-C port. So this is what a USB cable looks like, number F right here, okay? And then all you need to do is go ahead and connect the other end, okay, of the USB cable to an available USB port on either your PC, so this is what it will look like, or your PS4. This is where it's located. And once connected, okay, the microphone should be recognized by your device and be ready to use. Okay, this is compatible with PC, PS4, PS5, Mac, all of these, right? It's really that easy and simple. So, I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution, and I'll see you in the next one.